Hello everyone, this is Unit 5, lesson number 46, Health Awareness. So in this lesson, you have to strike out whichever is inapplicable. So first is, exposure to sunlight helps in the formation of vitamin D or vitamin E, which is essential for healthy bones. So you have to take on vitamin D and cut vitamin E. So cut vitamin E and take on vitamin D. Now second is, first vaccine to be administered to a child was vaccine against smallpox, not polio. So you have to cut polio and take on pox. Now third, the function of white or red corpuscles is to prevent infection of isolating and destroying germs. So you have to cut white and take on red, क्योंकि जो red cells होते हैं वो ब्लड को इन्फेक्शन से बचाते हैं और जर्म्स को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं. Edward Jenner or Louis Pasteur was the first to observe that food substance goes sour with the passage of time. तो जो लुइस पास्चर थे उन्होंने जाना था कि फूड ज्यादा टाइम तक रखा रहता है, उसके बाद में सोर हो जाता है, मीन्स खट्टा हो जाता है. सो Edward Jenner is wrong answer, so you have to cut Edward Jenner. Now next, fifth number. In summer, people generally wear white or light colored clothes because such clothes do not reflect or absorb sunlight. So you have to cut reflect and absorb is the right answer, so you have to take absorb. Now sixth number, if a rabid dog bites a person, the person may become hydrophobic or hemophobic. So hydrophobic is wrong answer, so you have to cut hydrophobic, you have to take on hemophobic. Now next is, we must not poke a matchstick into the ear as it may damage the eardrum, not matchstick. So you have to cut matchstick and take on eardrum. Now next is number 8, the BCG vaccine gives protection against tuberculosis or polio. So tuberculosis is right answer, you have to cut polio. Now next, number 9, food enters blood vessels through the wall of the big or small intestine. So you have to cut big intestine because food enters blood vessels through the wall of small intestine. So cut big and take on small. Now 10 number, if a person gets a cut, he or she is administered an anti-tetanus or anti-rabies vaccine by the doctors. So anti-tetanus is right answer and anti-rabies is wrong. So you have to cut anti-rabies. Now next is number 11. Dentures are artificial limbs or false teeth. So false teeth is right answer. You have to cut artificial limbs. Now next is number 12. A disease that is spread by the direct contact is known as an epidemic. So epidemic is right answer and you have to cut contagious disease. Okay, now number 13. The Anopheles mosquito is an insect which spread malaria, not tuberculosis. So you have to cut tuberculosis, take on malaria. Yes, now next lesson is lesson number 47, harmful diseases. तो कुछ बीमारियां जो बहुत ही हार्मफुल होती हैं उसके बारे में आपको बताएंगे. So first exercise is, given below are the columns of vitamins and diseases. Match both the columns or find out the deficiency of which vitamin causes which disease. तो यहाँ पर कुछ विटामिन हैं और कुछ डिजीज के नेम लिखा हुआ है, आपको मैच करना है कि कौन सी विटामिन की कमी से कौन से डिजीज होती है. सो फर्स्ट इज विटामिन ए. तो आई हैव ऑल्सो डन हियर कि विटामिन ए की कमी से कौन सी डिजीज होती है. सो सी इज राइट आंसर, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. विटामिन डी की कमी, ए की कमी से नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस होती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज विटामिन बी. सो विटामिन बी की कमी से वेरी डिजीज होती है, मीन्स उसमें जैसे जो कुपोषित हो जाता है, चलने फिरने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, जिसको बहुत ही वीक हो जाते हैं. नाउ थर्ड नंबर इज विटामिन ई. विटामिन सी से स्कर्वी नाम की भी डिजीज हो जाती है, जिसमें कि मसूड़ों से ब्लड आता है ना, वो वाले। नाउ क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट इज 4 नंबर, विटामिन डी। तो विटामिन डी की कमी से रिकेट्स होते हैं, यानी मीन्स चक्कर आते हैं ना, वो डिजीज होती है। नाउ 5th नंबर इज विटामिन के। सो विटामिन के की कमी से क्लोटिंग होती है, ब्लड क्लोटिंग। So this is your exercise. Now next exercise is fill in the blanks with the names of disease. Choose the word from the help list. So you have their help list also, and you have to choose the disease and write in the blanks. So first is disease of gums causing them to shrink out with the losing of the teeth. So that is pyorrhea. So you have to write there pyorrhea. Now, so painful disease of the bowels with the discharge of mucus and blood. So that is dysentery. So you have to write there dysentery. 3rd number, serious infection disease of the throat. So that is diphtheria. So you have to write there diphtheria. Now 4th number, disease caused by the stoppage of the flow of bile marked by yellowness of the skin with whiteness of the eyes. So that is jaundice. So you have to write there jaundice. तो इस डिजीज में आपकी जो बाइल है वो बनना बंद हो जाता है और उसके बाद में स्किन जो है वो येलोनेस हो जाती है स्किन में और व्हाइट आईज हो जाती है या येलो आईज हो जाती है, वो दैट इज जॉइंडिस. सो यू हैव टू राइट देयर जॉइंडिस. नाउ फिफ्थ नंबर infectious disease with the fever, cough and constant sneezing. So that is influenza. So you have to write there influenza. Now sixth number, to frequent emptying of bowels. So that is diarrhea. So you have to write there diarrhea, and there is only 5 columns. So you have to write 7th number in place of in end of the 7th sentence. Now 7th number, infection disease causing frequent vomiting and continual emptying of bowels, that is cholera. जिसमें कि vomiting भी होती है और साथ में empty bowels भी होता है continuous, so that is cholera. So this is lesson 48, Space Odyssey. Odyssey means long journey in space. Okay. A galaxy is very large group of stars, dust, gas and dark matter held together by gravity. These stars may or may not have system of planets of their own. Our galaxy does have such a system of planets. Read the clues and fill in the crossword. One has been done for you. So you have to fill that crossword, and there are some clues. So first we read downwards. डाउन वाले जो भी हैं वो फिल करेंगे सबसे पहले हम. So 1 number is the planet closest to the sun. So that is in 1 number you have to write Mercury. MERCURY, Mercury. Okay. Now next is number 2. The sun and all planets that moves around it. तो जिसमें कि सन और 8 planets जहां मूव करते हैं, all planets जहां पर मूव करते हैं, that is called the solar system. So you have to write there solar system. Now next is 7 number. Downwards में पहले fill करेंगे, then after we do across. Okay. So 7 number, heavenly bodies that moves around the sun. So heavenly body that moves around the sun is planets, जो कि सन के चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाती हैं. नाउ 8 नंबर, द मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ विच कॉज डे एंड नाइट. तो वो मूवमेंट जिसके कारण डे और नाइट होते हैं अर्थ पर, सो दैट इज रोटेशन. सो यू हैव टू राइट देयर रोटेशन. नंबर 9, द ब्लू प्लैनेट. सो द ब्लू प्लैनेट इज अवर अर्थ. So you have to write their earth. But इसमें जो blanks boxes दिए गए हुए हैं वो wrong place पर दिए हुए हैं. So you have to write only in your place where there is written the blue planet. वहां पर ही आप अर्थ लिख लेंगे. Okay? Now next, across. Across में जो दिए हुए हैं words वो बोल रही हूँ अभी मैं. So the first is the red planet. So red planet is Mars. So you have to write there Mars, M-A-R-S, Mars. Now second number, they twinkle at night. So what are twinkle at night? Stars. So you have to write there stars. Now third number, a person who travels in space. So that is astronaut. So you have to write there astronaut, A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T, astronaut. Now fourth number, the imaginary line joining the two poles, that is axis. So you have to write there axis. Now next is number 5. Our galaxy is known by this name. So Milky Way. So you have to write there Milky Way. M-I-L-K-Y-W-A-Y, Milky Way. Now next, number 6, the largest planet. So that is Jupiter. So you have to write there Jupiter, J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. So this is your lesson. Lesson number 49, go into space. So there is matching again. First is Chandrayaan-1. So Chandrayaan-1, India's first mission, unmanned to the moon in 2008. तो जो 2008 में जो इंडिया का फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट गया था जिसमें कि कोई भी यात्री नहीं गए थे, दैट इज Chandrayaan-1. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज नंबर 2, डिस्कवरी. सो डिस्कवरी, देयर इज यू हैव टू राइट एफ से मैचिंग करना है उसको. नासा स्पेस शटल दैट मेड ट्रिप्स इनटू स्पेस मोर देन एनी अदर. सो ये जो स्पेस था नासा का, उसने कई बार यात्रा की, दैट इज डिस्कवरी. सो यू हैव टू राइट देयर एफ. नाउ थर्ड number 3, Voyager-1. So it is a spacecraft. It is the farthest man-made object in the space. So you have to write there A in third number. Now fourth number, Mir. Mir is Russian space station. So you have to write there G. Number 5, Spirit and Opportunity, Curiosity. So that is number, you have to write there H number. Twin Mars exploration rovers which touched down on Mars in 2004 and Curiosity landed on the Mars in August 2012. ये जो फर्स्ट वाला था वो 2004 में टच किया था उसने मार्स को, एंड सेकेंड क्यूरियोसिटी ने 2012 में. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 6 number, number 6, New Horizons. So you have to write there D. The spacecraft that departed towards Pluto and its moon in 2006 at the speed of 58,338 km/h. The fastest spacecraft ever. तो ये जो स्पेसक्राफ्ट था ये सबसे फास्टेस्ट स्पेसक्राफ्ट था और इसकी स्पीड थी 58,338 km/h. एंड इसने 2006 में डिपार्चर किया था प्लूटो और इसके मून पर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज नंबर 7, चैलेंजर कोलंबिया. सो यू हैव टू राइट देयर बी, एंड बी इज द स्पेस शटल दैट वर डिस्ट्रॉयड ऑन देयर 10th and 28th मिशन in 1986 and 2003 respectively. तो ये जो मिशन थे वो उनकी 10th और 28th मिशन पर डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए थे 1986 एंड 2003 में. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज नंबर 8, U2. तो यू हैव टू राइट देयर E, एंड E इज China's changed 3 moon landing mission in December 2013. So here your unit 5 is completed. यहाँ पर खत्म होती है आपका यूनिट 5.